Hi, magandang araw sa inyo mga kuchikays at kuchikays ko nasa Scorpio signs. Ito na ang inyong reading for your ano nga ba ang life situation mo sa ngayon, no? So, this will be for your financial and for your love life situation. So, on the upper hand, you will have here your financial status or financial aspects. And sa lower hand naman ang inyong love life situation. So, take what is only resonating to you, mga kuchikays at kuchikays kung nasa Scorpio signs, and don't take what is not resonating sa life situation ninyo, okay? So, let's begin. To your financial situation, you have your King of Cups, meron kang the Wheel of Fortune, at meron ka rin ditong Queen of Cups. If I'm not mistaken, this is a Queen of Cups. Yes, Queen of Cups. So, King and Queen of Cups is here. So, I'm seeing that very powerful energy with you and your partner as of the moment. Kung ilan sa inyo, mga Scorpio signs ay nagbe-business together with your partner, sabihin natin love life or business partner, ay nagiging maayos sa sitwasyon ng inyong business, especially for your financial status or aspects. Nakikita ko na maaring lumalaki or nag-grow ang inyong business or kumikita ng maayos in terms of the business side, no? Nakikita ko rin dito na maaaring ang ilan sa inyo ay nagiging thankful at grateful to what you are earning as of the moment kasi napakaganda ng sitwasyon. Kumbaga, napapaikot ng maayos, nagiging maganda ang sitwasyon for your finances. Marunong kayong humawak ng pera in terms of the situation. King and Queen of Cups is here. Kaya lang, both of you are pouring out everything that you could in terms of the business side, and plus the income is really great as of the moment. Maganda ang financial status ninyo, mga kuchikays at kuchikays ko na sa Scorpio signs. Ibig sabihin nito ay talagang ang flow ng money is really in a good hands with you and your partner, no? Business partner man or love life situation ito. Regarding sa finances, okay ang lahat, no? But then again, to what I can see here, kailangan mas maging maingat, maging careful din sa pag-handle ng business and investments, no? Kasi if you pour out everything, maaring in the near future ay magkaroon ng aberya or problema kasi nagkakaroon din dito na parang may ipit sa sitwasyon. So maging maayos lang sa paghawak, no? Or maring naiipit sa sitwasyon ng iba sa inyo. So, pag-ingatan mabuti ang investment para maging mas mag-igi at maganda ang daloy ng pera para sa inyo, mga kuchikoys at kuchikoys ko na sa Scorpio signs. And into your love life situation naman, some of you mga uh, Scorpio signs, no? You have here Three of Cups, the Tower, at saka Nine of Wands. I'm seeing na maaaring ang ilan sa inyo ay kahiwalay lamang or nakipaghiwalay sa inyo inyong mga naging live-in partner or partner in life, no? Kasi maring may involved na third party in the situation. The way I see it, kasi kaya kayo naghiwalay because of the third party situation eh. And you wanted to change something from yourself. I'm seeing that a lot of you or maring most of you din, mga kuchikays at kuchikays ko na sa Scorpio signs, ay iniingatan ng sarili or guarding of their self situation. No, parang ayaw nyo munang makausap din talaga tong naging ex-partner ninyo at kumbaga parang napuno or anong nangyari, napuno na kayo sa sitwasyon at nahirapan kayo sa ganong pangyayari. Parang ayaw nyo nang balikan yung past, no? The way I see it din kasi you're feeling stuck, and at the same time, feeling nyo rin na kasi napag-uusapan kayo or napagchichismisan kayo ng ibang tao regarding sa love life situation. But what you need to do is to really rely onto your self situation. Maging mapanuri or maging vigilante sa lahat ng oras in terms of your love life. Maaari kasing yung ex-partner nyo rin ay ichinichismis or idanadaldal kayo sa ibang tao regarding sa nangyari sa situation na siya na nga itong may kasalanan na ng babae o ng lalaki, tapos siya pa yung may gana na kayo ay pagkwentuhan or mapagchismisan sa ibang tao, especially to his family or her family, no? But don't worry on this case, nakikita ko naman na may bagong paparating na pagmamahal. A healthy new beginning, maaring hindi man to yung bagong pagmamahal agad-agad, pero a healthy new beginning for your emotions. Maaring maging busy ka sa ibang mga bagay, lalo na sa pagkakakitaan, mga Scorpio signs. At ito ay maaaring maging catalyst for positive things that would happen sa buhay mo, Scorpio, no? So, wag mag-alala on that particular side. So, maaaring maging busy ka para kumita ng limpak-limpak na salapi, no? Para ikaw ay mas maging magana ulit sa iyong pamumuhay instead of having an emotional distractions.